Hello. In this video you will learn how to assign oral response in myON. Step 1. Select assignments at the top of the page. Step 2. In the top left, under the assignments heading, select Create New Assignment. Step 3. Next, select the books that you want to include in the assignment. To start, enter a word to search under Search for Books, then, select Find Books. Step 4. If you want your students to complete a recorded oral response, enter the question or prompt that you want your students to answer. Since student recordings are limited to 5 minutes, make sure that the question is one that students can answer fully in that time limit. When you're done, select Add.